Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Our House 21, and this is a quick one, but for those watching social media, you probably noticed that I'm doing something kind of special to celebrate a landmark or to celebrate a milestone. So I have just crossed 1,800 subscribers and 300,000 views within a couple weeks of each other, which is kind of a special occasion. So to celebrate, I'm going to give something back a little bit. So for those watching, you know that I've been in the process of preparing or in the process of executing what I call the ultimate speedrun tire review. So to do that, I've amassed quite a collection of tires. I've got original GRPs right here. I've got GRP Velocity tires right here. I've got the old school Jayco foams right here. And then I've also got, from the big dogs, these BSR double pinks. So, and I've got a whole bunch of SP racing tires, and I've got some custom banana skins for my XO1. But these tires right here, I bought specifically for the purpose of doing lab tests and comparing them to the tires I'm going to run. My lab tests, my experiments are about over, so I don't need these anymore. So, to celebrate, I'm going to go ahead and I'm listing these guys all on eBay, starting at 99 cents. Yep, 99 cents. Now, there is a reserve on there, and that's just kind of to protect myself, but it's reasonable. Don't worry about it. Everybody knows what these things are worth. So as long as they come within the ballpark of what they're worth, the reserve's going to go away, and it's going to be a good, a good auction for everybody. So, in case you know, sometimes these BSRs can get hard to find. Got a perfectly good set, pristine, ready to go. Some guys really love the GRPs, GRP Velocities. These are S5s, ready to go. These guys right here, these were an experiment. These were S7s, so they're a little hard. But for you guys running in the South, summertime heat in the South, you actually might want a hard compound to try to avoid blowouts. And old school Jaycos. These are not the low profile, they're the high profile, but these would still be great for a Rustler or for a Slash or anything like that. And this is actually a match set, so I have the front and rears. An interesting side note, for those of you who have a Slash 4x4, you may actually want to run with the front and rears, but put the rear, what is the Rustler rear up front, and what is the Rustler rear, put the Rustler rear in the front, and put the Rustler front in the back. And that actually does something kind of cool, because it actually makes it have a wider stance in the back of the car, which can help to increase stability a little bit. So just point that out. But these guys are all going up 99 cents. And to make it extra special, some of you guys may have been noticing or may have noticed my trials and tribulations with a certain charger. Well, Team Orion, they actually, or I should say Horizon Hobby, they stood by their product and they sent me out a brand new replacement. But because of my sponsorship with Venom, they've got stuff that they want me to demo too. So I've actually got something super cool, extra special coming from Venom, which means I don't need this anymore. So this is brand new, in box. I only open it up just to make sure that it's there, but never been turned on, ready to go. 99 cents. Well, it's not going to go for 99 cents. At least I hope it's not going to go for 99 cents. But starting off 99 cents. So this is just a way that I'm trying to say thank you guys for all the years of support, all the years of great comments. It's all the positive impacts that RC Physics has been having to the community, and all the feedback I'm getting from you guys. It's just a way for me to say thank you to you guys. I do this for you guys to benefit the community, and it seems like the community's responded. So I want to play a positive role, trying to inspire kids to look at all the science and engineering that I'm putting forth, so that you can understand that if you can understand high-speed RC, you can understand anything technical. It's the same brain cells. If you can make 150 mile an hour /4x4, You could be a scientist, you could be a technician, you could be an engineer, you could be a mathematician. You know, it's the same drive, it's the same understanding, and it's the same passion. Just focused a little bit different way. So, and it's cool. Let's just be real. All right, guys. So I'm enough of me being sappy, but thank you again. Our House 21 RC Physics would not be where it is without you guys, and we're just getting started. All right, guys. Our House 21 signing out. Remember the mantra: fly, fix, fly, break it, fix it, and do it all over again. Auctions will be going live at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or Pacific Daylight Time, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Eastern Daylight Time, on May 14th. And there'll be 5-day auction, so they'll be ending on Saturday, May 19th. All right, guys. Happy bidding. Our House 21 signing out. Peace.